If you are new here, if you are tired to go on without money, here I'm teaching people how to make money, mostly on Amazon KDP, to writing the book from the scratch until you publish it, until you market it, until you make money. So let's wait for just 7 minutes. But 7 minutes can change your life. I'm here for new indie or new indies authors to be. So let's dive in and make money. Learn how to make or create a book from the scratch until you publish it. Creating a book is a simple thing, maybe I would say that, but then for algorithm in Amazon to understand it, you need a good book title. How to search for a best-selling title on Amazon KDP. You go to Amazon.com books or Kindle store, use the search bar and type generating or general terms like math workbook, grade 3, self-help for women, coloring books for adults, learn English, grammar, love story and novel, romance, novel. As you type Amazon, auto suggest a real buyer search. There are titles people are actively looking for. For example, typing English grammar workbook may show grammar, English grammar workbook grade 5, English grammar practice for adults, English grammar with answers, PDF. These are proven keywords. Look for or look at the bestseller rank, BSR. Click on the book, scroll down to product details. If BSR is under 100,000, it's selling well. If is under 10,000, it's a top seller. This tools to speed up the process. Optimal but powerful. Amazon search bar is free, Bookboard, great for low content books, publisher Rocket and so far. So on and so forth. That is the title. On top rank the books. What keywords do they use? Is the title long or descriptive? Does it match a clear audience? Grade level, 8 interest. Do they include problem solved in the title? Example, English grammar workbook for grade 6. 100 practice exercises with answers. Clear niche includes keywords, show values. Mix high demand keywords with a unique angle. Create a title that uses popular search terms like workbook for beginners 2025 with answers. But add your own twist like fun format, target group, humor example. Bonus, quick high demand niche in 2025. Kids educational workbook, guided journal, low content planners, self-help, mental health, mindset, productivity, ESL English learning coloring book for adults. So I'd like us to go through the Amazon KDP now and do it practically. Let's come here and open Amazon KDP. Let's type Amazon KDP. So we go to search bar and search for those keywords and see if the title of the book we are trying um, to look is selling or not. Let's say kids coloring book. We write kids coloring book here and we wait for Amazon to suggest for us. To suggest for us. By just typing there, the kids coloring book should come up. No, remove this. I said kids coloring. You see, these are the books that are in demand. When we say before you write it in the book, before you name your book, you should know the title which you sell. So if you look here, Kids coloring books is the one that is very in demand. Kids coloring set, kids coloring books. Let's open this one and see if it has a high competition or not. It's opening now. As you can see, it's over 60,000 results. This is a very high competition. Very high competition. Let's look for the bestseller. Here's the bestseller for this book, Big Book of the Coloring Animal. As you can see, the book cover is so outstanding. So it's just sell its paperback for 6.99. Let's click this book and go and search for BRL, BSR, BSR. We're going there because it's the best seller here. And go, you want to see the book BSR. Da, da, da. Here, the bestseller rank is 421 in books. Wow. See top 100 in books. This is amazing, guys. This is 421. This is why it's the best seller. Oh, this is the book we are talking about. This is the book we are talking about. You see, let's now go for, let's say, grade 5, or let's say English, grade English, or let's say high school English grammar, grade 9 to 12. Does it mean it doesn't have the competition? It's just 34 results, meaning this one is the good niche. Huh? This one is the just look at this 34 results. Very good niche, this one. This is my book. If you can see this one, and it's selling so much. Let's go and look at the BSR. This is my book, guys. It's not a joke. This is my book, and it's selling so well. Let's go and see. Look at the bestseller rank is 916.331 in books. It's under 100,000. Wow, the book is selling well because you can see the rank here. It's under 100. This is my book. So I hope you enjoy. You've seen how we search for the titles. So let's meet again next time. Make money. Remember to subscribe, share, subscribe. Remember to subscribe, share, and comment